Making friends can feel like a daunting task, especially for those who consider themselves socially awkward. Yet, finding genuine connections is possible with a few strategies tailored to ease the discomfort of social interactions. First, start small by attending gatherings or events that cater to your interests. Whether it's a book club, gaming group, or art class, engaging in activities you enjoy allows for natural conversation starters with like-minded individuals. It creates a comfortable atmosphere where connections can blossom without the pressure of forced interactions. Next, focus on being a good listener. Socially awkward individuals often feel the need to speak to fill silence. Instead, practice the art of listening intently. Show genuine interest in what others are saying. This builds rapport and encourages them to share more about themselves, allowing friendships to grow organically. Joining online communities can also be beneficial. They provide a low-pressure environment to connect with others who share similar hobbies or passions. Through forums, social media groups, or gaming platforms, you can engage in conversations without the stress of face-to-face interactions. Volunteering is another great way to meet people while simultaneously contributing to a cause you care about. When working together towards a shared goal, you can naturally form bonds with fellow volunteers, and the experience often leads to meaningful conversations and friendships. Engaging in one-on-one interactions can also ease the anxiety of larger social settings. Invite an acquaintance for coffee or a stroll in the park, where the focus is just on the two of you. This intimate setting allows for deeper conversations and a chance to truly get to know each other. Overcoming the fear of rejection is crucial in the pursuit of friendship. Understand that not everyone will become your friend, and that's perfectly fine. Each attempt offers valuable lessons and the opportunity to refine your social skills. Embrace your unique qualities rather than trying to conform to what you think others expect. Authenticity attracts people and creates a welcoming environment where true friendships can flourish. Lastly, don't rush the process. Building friendships takes time and patience, and it's essential to be kind to yourself. Celebrate small victories and remember that everyone experiences social awkwardness to some degree. By taking these steps, you can transform your social experiences into opportunities for friendship and connection.